2019 Partner Summit, our biggest partner summit we've ever done. 2 days of learning, sharing, interacting, lots of conversations, lots of good parties.
Lightspeed is a big company with a lot of people, but we can't do this without our partners. They are our legs and arms in cities and communities that we are unable to reach, and they explore for us.
Once a year, our partners invest their time and money to come and meet us face to face. So when they're networking at events like this, the quality of the customer experience, which is ultimately what is the most important thing to all of us, is that much better.
It's very exciting for partners to have that network and that family to be able to call upon when they need it.
I think it's great that Lightspeed goes out of their way to throw this event for their partners in the first place. It really shows how much they value their partnerships, and it gives us a great opportunity to get in front of the right people.
We feel connected, we learn the culture, and we understand who our collaborators are.
You can spend a lot of time on email, you can spend a lot of time on the phone, but getting in front of folks, meeting folks, having real conversations, it's just invaluable for the vendor community for sure.
Especially when everything's fresh with conversations with your customers, then we can act immediately, and those conversations are very beneficial and very proactive.
It's great. I think it's really well organized. It's really informational.
It's really helped to understand kind of the roadmap and where Lightspeed's going, and to be a part of that is really exciting.
It's amazing. I've come for the past 5 years, and they always put on something very spectacular.